Fuding Huage Locomotive Company Limited is located in Fuding City, Fujian Province, China. Founded in 2010, with 13 years of experience in carburetor and accessories production, is a research and development, production, sales, and service in one of the comprehensive enterprises. The company's main products are gasoline water pump power, generator, engine, lawnmower, brush cutter, chainsaw, garden machinery, dual fuel and other series carburetors, and all kinds of carburetor parts. The company supporting a number of well-known domestic and foreign OEMs, with wholesalers, traders, to establish long-term stable cooperative relations. The company is equipped with die casting molding, assembly line product performance, comprehensive test equipment, the use of domestic production technology and bench test to ensure that each carburetor is tested and inspected before being delivered to the customer. Our factory can undertake various types of carburetor OEM processing and customized services. The annual output of 3.5 million units, carburetor variety complete, stable performance, sufficient supply, on the basis of ensuring quality to give customers the largest product supply force and the most advantageous product unit price. Companies adhering to the gratitude, integrity, responsibility, innovation, win-win business philosophy to, with Chinese ingenuity, cast the brand pattern as the value, adhere to the principle of small profits, won the trust and support of domestic and foreign customers. Welcome customers to visit Guidance. We wholeheartedly with you hand in hand to achieve a win-win situation.